means the vertical distant crust and the following trough is called as the amplitude, and the wave varies the distance between the two successive crusts. That means that here is a crust and here is a crust. The distance between two successive crust or trough is called as a wavelength. That means the distance between these two crust is known as the wavelength. That means here is a wavelength and here is a wavelength, and this is a trough. The wavelength is amplitude and it is velocity depend on the velocity of winds. That means this is dependent on the velocity of winds. Here given example. You understand the definition of wavelength. Then next, velocity of wave. Velocity of wave. If we stand at the coast, we feel the waves are coming toward the coast. That means you you take the experience of this movement or this movement. If we stand on the coast, we feel waves are coming toward the coast. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेला आपण एखाद्या वेळेस किनाऱ्यावरती उभा राहिलेलो असतो त्यावेळेला आपल्याला वेव्स काय झालेले दिसतात, कमिंग टुवर्ड द कोस्ट. द if a floating object is thrown at the distance in the sea, that means this floating object thrown at the distance on the sea, we find the object moving up and down at the same place. That means at that time we find the object up and down at the same place. It does not come to the coast. That means this object does not coming on the coast. It means the water forming the wave also does not come to the coast. That means these waves are not coming on the coast, but this remember that water in the wave does not move. What move is the energy. That means actually these waves are moving toward the coast, not this is a not moving on this coast, but moving is the energy. That means the energy काय होते, मूव झालेले आपल्याला दिसते. Then the main reason of the wave generation is winds, but at time due to the earthquake, volcanic eruptions occurring below the floor of the sea, waves get generated. Such waves assume a great height and the shallow water near the coast. These waves are very destructive. They cause huge loss of property and life. These waves are called tsunamis. In the 2004 tsunamis, waves are generated because of the earthquake that took place near the tsunami was wave generated because of earthquake takes place near Sumatra island in the Indonesia. They devastated the east coast of the India as well as the Sri Lanka. The waves cause erosions along the headlands of the create beaches in the protected location in the bays. That means the main reason of the wave generation is the winds, but this time due to the earthquakes or volcanic eruptions occurs below the floor of the sea. That means main reason of wave generation is the winds, but this time due to the earthquakes or volcanic eruption occurring below the floor. That means at that time these volcanic eruptions occurring below the floor of the sea, waves are generated, and such waves assume a great height in the shallow water near the coast. The waves are very destructive, and these waves are also known as the tsunamis. These waves also known as the tsunamis. In 2004, tsunamis waves are generated because of the earthquake that takes place near the सुमात्रा आयलँड्स इन इंडोनेशिया. म्हणजे इंडोनेशियामध्ये सुमात्रा आयलँड आहे, तिथे काय घडलेलं होतं, अर्थक्वेकमुळे काय झालेलं होतं, सुनामी आलेल्या होत्या. दिस डिव्हास्टेड द ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया ॲज वेल ॲज द श्री लंका. दिस वेव्स कॉजेस इरोजन्स along the headlands. The create beaches in the protected location in the bay.